Lagos today, if I tell you who are there within the building after this time now, because now chat one, after this chat and discussion now, you will meet me somewhere, you give me a hug. And some of you will even give me a kiss. Some of you might even buy me gift. Some of you will just want to fly me to the Bahamas. Because the person in this building now, call him Mr. Honey. He's going to give you, maybe it could be Mr. B. He's giving you some honey. Okay. CK in the building!
Wetin dey happen
Let
now?
us are screaming!
Wetin dey saw? Wetin dey play?
Oh my God! It's just like the God just descended now. CK Alpha.
I do. Wetin dey happen?
You know
Cheche?
our last.
I don't miss you.
And you never miss me, Rich. You fashion your guy now. We
know,
now
no
your
be so
guys.
now, no be so
We
now.
now your goons. Now we they show up. Now they make noise for show. They say,
Yes, so.
now we
Yes,
start
so.
this thing.
Yes, so.
I remember vividly our last interview.
Mm-hmm.
Our studio, we never do them like this. Then you been sit down somewhere here.
Mm-hmm. I remember.
We be there talk about container that land, Papa way. Eh. But look at CK, man.
Yeah.
Bro, the movement
Yeah.
is massive.
Yeah, it's crazy, man. It's crazy. We thank God for everything.
So Lagos, join the conversation on top this particular level now. I get to talk to CK. I know say you don't dance to in songs, you don't vibe, you don't see the unbelievable things where they happen. Hits upon hits upon hits.
Yes,
and
sir.
you they see as the flow they go. Recognition just everywhere in Africa, across Africa. And the boy is massive. The boy is big. And you know. And so, inside the building, you get the opportunity to also send in questions. Anything where you want to talk to them about, you go also open the phone line for you to join the conversation. CK, when I see you, I see music, I see sounds, I see the flow, I see melody. So, we could talk about first thing first. I they go straight into the conversation of the hits.
Oh, yeah, now.
CK, how you they feel?
Man, I feel blessed. I feel good, you know. A lot has happened, man. Plenty things don't stop, and
In a short time.
yeah, in such a short time, man.
But not really a short time because you they come from somewhere already.
Yeah, for sure. Like, you know, I just feel like God has just been good, and all my fans too have been good as well, because now the support of everybody bring me come this point where I did. So I no go there if to say people know they support me, understand.
Yeah. So I want to understand your exact reaction when I want to talk about Love Nwantiti. Before we go come to the new ones, I want to talk about Love Nwantiti. Now, I want to know your exact reaction when that song been take off. It go off the roof from TikTok.
It bust my head. I no go lie. Like the first time when I see my song for Billboard, like bust my head.
They hold you. Anybody hold you for hand because they need to hold you.
Nah, they don't hold me, but like for inside my head, I just did bust. Yeah, yeah, my bed just did bust. But like, man, it's been crazy. Like people from all over the world, they vibe to my music.
Yes.
Cristiano Ronaldo, Kylie Jenner, you know, like everybody. And man, it just shows say if music they good and if people connect with them, the language no really mean. You get like the song I sing the song for Igbo and Pidgin English, you understand? But for Igbo people they connect with them like say
they sit down to learn the lyrics of the songs and then they sing them like say they don't learn the language.
Yes, so and then they, you know, everybody, every Oyibo person go they meet me, they ask me wetin be Nwantiti, wetin be the meaning of Nwantiti, you understand? So like it just shows say, bro, first of all, African music na gold, you understand? You know the way then they export gold and silver, and so African music be, and people around the world they feel the vibes, you get, even if they don't understand the yarns where we they yarn on top the jam, when they just hear them because they feel the vibes, then gas concur, you understand? So now Wetin it just show, and me I did very proud of African music right now, and our generation of artists. Everybody they do really big things all around the world, you know, and I just did very excited for Afrobeats right now.
Now most of your song just continue to they put us in one, it be like say we they go through from one experience to another, more like living the lifestyle on different kind of varieties. Now what they give us now. I go also talk about one of the songs where I love so much, Felony. As in, you know, that song, I don't know where you get as they redirect me. Now I dey tell you, if I dey in a particular sad mood and I dey listen to Felony, I feel like say na me actually the third person. Now me the top person. I want to hit that song before I move over to By Your Side, Emiliana. Oh,
Emiliana.
See, you know, some people like you not supposed they love one person. No, now all of us now love you like this. You know what? Settle down, no, CK, because I don't know how I want you. Now people like CK will say you cannot marry. You know.
I go marry one day.
But that day fit, you know.
It different, sha. But one day, sha. Yeah.
All right, so I'm gonna talk about that because the massive fans where they outside, they look out for it. But tell me something about felony.
Well, felony, I mean, all of my songs now about like real life experiences you get and real people. So felony na about somebody where I've been in a relationship with during lockdown, actually the first lockdown, so
that's 2020.
Yeah, and Emiliana too, I make them around that period too. About the same person. So beautiful. Emiliana and felony are about the same person.
About the same person?
Yeah.
Where the person dey now?
It did so, yeah.
CK, me na your guy now. Who the person there around, Abby?
Yeah.
They see it in they play.
They see it.
They say the boy too hot. They don't fit touch the boy now. The boy is too hot. Give me felony. Now you that talk to. I know you should even that listen to this interview now. Now you that talk to. Because anywhere where the boy go, you go to follow up and down. Now you with the reflect. You don't give me felony. More talk to our. She be friend that before. Which one she be?
I should be friend.
Plenty for DMO, for me I know they see them all. I free them all. I know in my soul. Hit the melody, I go sleep for some. Loving you is a felony for so long. Yeah, I've been running.
We love you. We love you. That girl with the talk to, we really do love you because we're ready to sleep for self for your sake now. And Lagos, we need to take a break. Once we come back, we go break more. We go talk more about By Your Side, Emiliana, and of course, you don't tell us where the inspiration for that particular one come out. But CK, I also like mention something about where they come from. I want to know how everything still they go, and of course, more collaboration coming. I like By Your Side. This guy. Black where you feature for that song.
Yeah, he's from South Africa.
Because I feel the vibe. I remember saying when you come, I go ask you how that merge uptake happened.
Man, it's crazy. It's actually my A&R that links me with the producer. So that beat, the producer made it, I think 3 years ago, and like apparently nobody could kill the beats for 3 years. So I just heard it. The moment I heard it, I took it and I vibed on it. Yes. I was actually in Ghana when I heard it, and when I came back to Lagos, I recorded immediately. And as I recorded, Blackie just came to my head to put on it because, I like his vibes, and he's from South Africa. He has that sound, so I just sent it to him and he killed it, and he put it out. The video, we've shot the video already, and it's
so the video there out already.
No, it's not out, but
okay,
it's coming.
I remember. I never see any video By Your Side. But Lagos, I see all your messages where they send you. Say, open the phone line for CK Yo-Yo, and I read CK Yo-Yo. Lagos, we go take that break. Once we come back, we go talk more. CK there in the building, and you go catch the whole vibe. We there live on Facebook, and no touch your dad. Can't you see how I'm so much down for you right now? Every time I'm gonna do things now, they think about Lagos. Welcome back. CK still there on top Organ Madam Show, and I see all your messages for here. Teacher, please let me ask CK one question. Please, is he in any serious relationship? Why do you want to ask this kind of question? I think maybe you go say CK when I dreamt that you now have a big Grammy in your house. How do you feel about it? They ask that question when no. But anyway, they are your fans.
Yeah.
So their question they valid.
No.
Yes. You don't answer. No. All right. I love him so much, Cheche. I'm still dancing to his song here. Cheche, Love Nwantiti is a world class platinum song. Thank you.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Good afternoon. I beg you in the name of God to open phone lines and they read messages, okay? Welcome, CK. As I no break waist learning how to dance, love, wanting to dance. I won't break it again. He said, but I love you,
You have
CK.
to break it too.
Debbie, he said, but I love you, CK. And yes, CK, this was sending you love from Germany. He said, we love you over here in Germany. When are you coming?
I'm actually coming for the Wireless Festival in Germany soon. When is that again? August, yeah. I think in August.
August, so they come August. Yeah, Cheche, I was thinking you will let him talk on the phone line straight to us. Cheche, no go flow and talk.
Open phone line
Yeah,
now.
CK,
Might follow
you
my
said you
people.
join
Might
them.
follow my people.
CK,
yeah,
you even
now.
join them. Okay.
Why I no go join them?
0700 954 954 954. Make we talk more with CK and then WhatsApp. I'm so sorry, I'm not gonna read your messages again. The phone lines are where they go. So talk to CK briefly before we go wrap up other things, okay? Lagos, who they there? Chook mouth.
Hello.
Hi.
Good afternoon to you.
Good afternoon.
My name is Fashion Asubo.
Okay.
I'm calling from Maya.
All right. Talk to CK sharp.
How far
Alright,
now? What's this up?
Hello.
What's good, Maji?
Hello.
Your line they break. We know they hear you well. Good afternoon. Welcome.
Yes, that's Suma.
Good afternoon.
Yes, this is Barrister Phillips from Oyibo local government.
Okay, I like you. They represent your constituency now.
Yes, ma. I would like to talk to my honorable great musician known as CK. I love him.
How far now? What's this?
If they hear you, talk to them
What's
directly.
in play for Korodu this afternoon? What's in this?
Oh, my everywhere, mama, in your presentation, everywhere good.
Confirm.
Thank you so much from Ikorodu. Hello, Lagos.
Hello, Cheche.
Hi. Is that Jessica?
Good afternoon, ma. This is Sarah from Sydney.
All right, fire down.
Okay, hi.
What's What's good? What's
I'm
happening?
so happy to talk to you. I'm a big fan. I even did the Emiliana dance challenge. I did the Love Nwantiti challenge on TikTok.
Oh, for mad.
I'm so
Crazy,
happy
crazy.
to talk to you now. I really love your song.
Same here.
The first song I ever heard was
Thank you.
Mona Lisa.
Oh.
With you and Davido. That was when I knew that this CK, hey, I must follow him up. Today. I was even surprised that when you released that
You
Love
say Mona
Nwantiti
what?
first, it didn't really blow on TikTok until after that pandemic time. People have started noticing the song on TikTok, and I was
Yeah.
like, I've heard this song, but this song has been like blowing things.
Don't worry, I go cut out this part of interview. I go send them to you. Now your time with that. Hello, Lagos.
Thank you.
No, na patient call back.
All right.
What to say with the CK?
Yeah, talk to CK.
Hello, bro.
How far now?
I give shout out to you. I
Shout out
really
to
like
you
your
too.
music.
Thank you, man.
And I'll be your fans. I can't wait to one day you like this now.
Oh, thank you so much.
Thank you. One
And we
love,
know you they watch. Hello, Lagos Chook Mouth, CK in the building. I go soon run over. Enter WhatsApp.
Lady,
Hi, boss around, darling.
it's me in the work.
Yeah.
CK, I love your voice. I love your voice.
Thank you.
Felony is, and when I was thinking in the studio when you were playing the song, but like, oh my god, I needed to off the machine to enjoy the music. Like,
Thank
the
you.
voice is so real. Like, it's not auto tune. So yeah, I can actually sing. Like,
Thank
oh
you.
my god. Oh my god.
So that-
Bye bye.
Bye. Yes, before you go. So she just said, "What took a bye bye?" Before that, I've lost my mind. Two more calls. Hello, Lagos. When I make CK blush, you. Hello. Good afternoon.
Please, it's Sinatra from Ajegule.
Welcome.
Please, ma, I have a challenge. That's why I'm calling.
No, send me WhatsApp. Send me message on WhatsApp, okay? If you get to do outside the interview, okay? Hello, welcome, CK there in the building.
Correct. This
Yeah.
is Mr. Clement all the way from the Lekki Phase 1. I love your voice. How things is going over
Thank
there?
you.
Fine.
Fine, everything good.
Correct. What is your name once again, Cheche? Am I talking to Cheche, right?
This is Chechi and CK there in the building too. Thank you so much. Say you call. Hello.
Hello, Cheche, one name.
Hi, Bobo.
CK,
What's good? What's happening?
I love your song, my brother. Yeah.
Thank
But I
you.
have problem with you, musician.
What's the problem?
Tomorrow now you will change it. voice again, change the rhythm of your song again.
No be CK. If you know and since you go no say this one no they change voice.
Exactly.
Don't change. I love you. God will take you to the highest heights.
Amen.
Yeah?
Thank you.
In fact, you will win Grammys in Jesus' name.
Amen. Amen.
Bye, darling. Take care.
Thank you.
Okay. All right. So we'll still take more, and we get plenty other things to do from this particular angle. I see messages. Hello, CK, sending you love from the UK. CK sending you love from the UK. See rhyme now. Cheche, I love it. Please, why you dey bust my brain like this? CK, I have all your music. CK, that Germany waka, I bet carry me join body now. Mary Jane, okay. CK, CK, do you see the mad love we're showing you on TikTok?
Yes, I see it, man.
How do you feel about the love?
Man, it did bust my head, man. Thank you guys so much. Like, I see everybody on TikTok, Instagram, every social media showing love, and like I feel like if not that everybody is showing love, I no go do what I did today. So big shout out to you guys.
All right. Cheche, shout out to CK. And when I'm at work here, when I'm bored, you always come to rescue me with yours and keep up the good work. Tony from New York City. Tony will see you. I'm here in Poland and I love CK. Tell him so, Cheche. You don't tell him already. Thank because you. He didn't listen. CK Mark will also talk about, these are singles. By Your Side, Emiliana. And of course, this song continue to the ring bell to every single person where they listen. Tell me about the video. You said the video for the By Your Side they come out. How about Emiliana?
Yes, videos for both of them are coming actually very very soon. And my album is coming out later this year. Ooh. Yeah, and it's crazy. Like I have crazy collaboration, crazy sounds. See me, I always like CK. Catch my own cruise with my sound.
Wow.
Yeah, and my first album.
Now your first album, yes, because I continue to the wait, but I know say you get people who watch the wait.
Yeah.
Because when they come through hard. Tell me now, because of the kind of person you are now and how worldwide we they talk about now, that means this album get to.
Yes,
it's a pullover.
It is. It's a very big one, and I've been working on it for a while. And my body they bites me. So it be like say my drop and no. But I go gas calm down, make I drop properly. But
yes,
it's crazy stuff, man.
All right, and of course I go Everly. Okay, somebody don't talk. It's make I ask you, CK, how is Chuck City doing?
I don't know. I'm not there.
Yes.
Ask them when you see.
Sorry, Jennifer. You say they there. Make you ask them when you see them. Okay. Yes. And also moving forward, Cheche, please, is the video for Felony out? Yes. Then.
Yes.
Where
you don't?
Who never see the video for Felony? Never see the video for Felony. No, we guys go see him because Felony is there relatable to. I'm sure you don't sing and give your girlfriend too.
No man. Yes.
You don't sing Felony, give your girlfriend. Your ex, I mean to say. All right, but now CK, I understand that the year 2020 be a big year, even though so many things happen. But I from the interviews where they get from people where they talk to, even at the time, I understand that year be a huge creativity kind of year. Yeah, so many big things come out from that year.
Yeah, 2020 and 2021, like and I feel like a huge part of now the pandemic, like pandemic say make all of us sit down for us, you understand? So as we sit down for us, me by the grace of God, now as everybody sit down for house, my music can't go to the world from there. So like
you know go ever forget this.
It's crazy. Yeah.
And I see the pearl where you wear for your neck. CK, is that where we're going now? These are raw pearls, man.
Yeah.
CK, tell me now. You don't give me I didn't receive this memo. Is it that nobody whispered to me say today are white they were supposed to wear? CK, I'm not.
Chacha, you don't come.
No. Even for your ear, please. Indo, you do me dirty, man. You don't even inform me say now like that. But CK, they somehow now.
No.
How many steps be they there?
This is now one pair now. I just
CK,
it's
now
2 steps.
steps now.
2 steps.
Yeah.
Okay.
And the ear too.
Yeah, the ear actually just pierced my ears again. Because before I pierced it before, but the thing.
You get problem.
The hole can't tear, so I guess allow me heal, so I can't do it again. So
how you dey relax?
I just dey chill. I I dey meditate, I dey sleep, I dey go gym to
You dey
relax.
meditate, they go gym to do.
Yes, sir. I dey go gym now so that I go.
You
You
go-
understand? I go fit carry.
They still love you like that. You don't need all those things.
No, you go love me more. No worry.
Okay, we will love you more. Oh, nice and well. So we dey wait up for this album, and I know say the build up don't come, but then you get series of shows where you get lined up
Yes.
from definitely from this time up until when everything go there. So which country is it the reason?
Man, like I have shows in many countries.
Yes.
US, UK, Germany.
Africa.
Yeah, I have lots of shows in Africa, of course, Uganda, Tanzania, but man, I'm everywhere this year.
I
Actually,
know.
man, no why you like I did outside.
Yeah, outside proper.
Outside.
All right.
Yeah.
It make you feel Emily, and of course, it will be time for us to feel wrap up with CJ because CK gets so many things where he get to do, and to catch him here today is a big one for us and for everybody listening. Chacha, please don't let CK go. I guys let them go, but not now. Make you feel Emiliana. And somebody say, "Hey CK, we love your songs over here in Hamburg, Germany. I would really be happy to welcome you here in Germany. Can't wait to see you soonest. Abiola Yali Yali, Chacha, I love you and I love your show. Thank you so much. CK, please, do you train people how to sing? I love your voice; it's quite unique. CK, you dey train people?
Thanks. No, really, I know the
Because time no day really.
Yeah.
Time no day. CK, I love you and I love your music. Please try and teach the younger ones too how to get it right. Okay. CK, have you noticed that some of the artists now sing like you? Hey.
Well,
Okay.
I mean,
CK, you don't notice them?
Yes, so but it's cool, it's fine.
Yeah, but it's good. That means, of course, bigger things are going, huh? Yeah. Lagos, make we feel this song, and when we come back, it will be time for CK to say bye, Lagos. CK, massive love the way they come to you, and of course, so many other people they asking when you have time to relax. He don't tell you say they're on the move, and seriously, that album they come and we cannot wait. Somebody saying they predict say either Kwame Eugene or the troublemaker from Ghana go day your album. Is that good? Now right prediction be that.
Maybe.
You know go leak him. But we're there here to talk about them. Yeah, but hopefully somebody go join him from Ghana. If not Ghana, I know
Definitely.
South Africa must be there.
Definitely, I have songs with artists from different countries. You
Yes.
understand? And very soon, when you come, you go understand.
You go know. We go there here. We go jam am. We go dance. I go vibe to. I go take up on TikTok. CK,
Yes,
thank
sir.
you so much. So you come inside the building.
Thank you for having me.
Bro, you're worldwide.
Yes, sir.
Rain already, man. Okay, Lagos, the rest you go see them on Facebook, on YouTube. Catch the whole segment, catch everything will happen on top the special interview. Okay, and we also do our dance. Best believe you go see us on TikTok now. Lagos, they come back. CK, thank you for your time, bro.
Thank you for having me.